Alright guys, today we'll be doing a review of the Remington Vantage 1200 air rifle. This gun's got fiber optic front sights, hardwood stock, two-stage adjustable trigger, and it comes with a 4x32mm scope that are replaced with a 3 to 9x32mm. This scope is much better, improves the accuracy. It makes it a lot better to use, and I think the 3 to 9 well fits this gun. Alright, let's take it outside and do some accuracy testing. We have our gun here and our target set up out there. It's about a 30-yard shot, I would say, and the pellets we'll be using are the Crosman Premier hollow points and the RWS Superdomes. And we'll be taking 5-shot groups at that target. Just to let you know, the accuracy is not going to be the best, as well as the power, due to the fact that it's only about 23 degrees out here. Now, if we compare the two groups, RWS Superdomes are a little bit more widespread than the hollow points. Hollow points grouped really nice. I couldn't be any more satisfied than that. That's pretty great. Okay, now we're gonna do some plinking. That's about, I believe it's about 30 yards. Alright, here's a closer inspection of the can. It blew out the entire side. That's impressive.